All right, at this point, most of us probably remember how to make a folder, but maybe you haven't thought about using them in this way. Something that I might suggest to help you organize your courses is setting up a different folder to go with each unit that you're going to teach, just so it's easier for kids to find what you are asking them to look for. So we're going to add a folder just like we usually would. Like I said, my first unit, or I think everybody's first unit, would be the reading community. All that back to school stuff, pick whatever color you want. And then something that you can do that I just recently found out that I think is pretty awesome is that when you look at that folder, you can go ahead and add a video or add a picture or something like that for the kids to click on without them having to actually go into the folder yet. So I'm going to go ahead and add a picture that goes with this reading community unit. Again, to just make it easier for the kids to find what I'm asking them to look for. And again, on this one, I already had it saved to my desktop ready to use. So there we go, reading community. Okay, and then if you want to click on it, you can make it smaller or whatever you feel like you need to do. Perfect, and then hit create. Okay, and then when my kids come into their reading course, they'll see the reading community, and then I also have a picture to go with it.